I look exactly the same as my BoxyCharm unboxing because I just finished filming my BoxyCharm unboxing and I wanted to leave my makeup on. And there's just no point of me getting dressed and redoing all this stuff. Hey beautiful humans, welcome back to my channel, or hello, welcome. My name is Ella. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and join my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to ring that notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload my video every Wednesday and Saturday. But in today's video, we are going to be doing my Ipsy Glam bag unboxing in the month of June. And let's just go ahead and open this baby up because I cannot wait. And be careful not to cut your fingers, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let's just go ahead and see what I got in the box. Yay! I believe this is my second box. This is what it's inside of my box. Okay, so I've seen quite a bit of makeup. I did saw what, actually I didn't look what I'm getting in my box because they always send me an email, but I just choose not to look, so then I'll be surprised. Okay, so let's just go see. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I need my little booklet here. So obviously they give you this little booklet, that products that comes in your box here. Just go ahead and see this one. This is the R+CO or R & Co. High Dive Moisturizer Shine Cream. Okay, so this is basically a styling cream. I don't know. I thought it was for face. Okay, I will give this a try. Is this good for... Okay, it is paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, UV protection. So this is good for my colored hair. So I'm excited for that. And by the way, that retails for $29. Now let's just go into this one right here. This is a 1-1 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Boost. And this one right here is a vitamin C brightening boost serum, I believe. After washing your face, mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer or apply directly to your skin using every night. This retails for $118. And damn, that's expensive for a serum. So vitamin C helps demolish dark spot and brighten your skin. This doesn't have a smell. Yep, no smell at all. And it just dries out really. Yep, it dries out to nothing. But I'm really happy that I got this in my box. This is $108. Now let's just go into this one right here. This is an eyeshadow palette. I want to just go ahead and do this so then I can create a look for you guys. This is a Tetris times Ipsy, so they might probably be collaborated with Ipsy then. A block party eyeshadow. We paired with Icon video game Tetris over its 35th anniversary to create limited edition collection celebrating different sizes, shapes, and colors. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. Very nice. And let's just go ahead and open it. And it has like a very retro vibe. And then it's a 6-pan. Wow. And this retails for $24. Skyline, T-Spin, Top Out, Back to Back, Line Clear, and High Score. I love their name. So it's very, like I said, it's very retro vibe, and they definitely went and got that Tetris video game. Okay, let's just go ahead and swatch these. Let's go do this matte first. Let's just put it right here. Okay, that is really good for a transition shade. This is really good for like a darkening your outer V. Oh, my nose itches. Okay, now let's go into this 2 shade right here. A very soft, very soft. Just put this right here. You guys see that? Okay, now let's go into this 2 shade right here. Ooh, look at that blue color. I'm going to try to create a look really fast and see what I can come up with. Okay, so this is what I created with the eyeshadow. So I made like a little bit of like a purple halo eye. So as you guys can see, I put a little bit of purple right in the outer and like a little bit on the inner corner. And then I used the shimmery shade right in the middle. And then the pink is just like basically like a transition. And I tried to use the blue, but it wasn't picking up for whatever reason. So I went ahead and just used a purple one. The only thing I noticed about this one right here is when I'm blending the other colors, it happens to like disappear. So I don't know if maybe use this with like a wet brush or maybe like a glue, like a glitter glue primer or something. And then we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the other eye, and I'm gonna do it off camera. I went ahead and just put some eyeshadow down on my lower lash line. I put some of the brown color. Let me just pull this out. So I put some of these brown color all over my lower lash line here, and then I mix these two colors together and put it all over, and then I mix this two color and put it right on the outer V of my lower lash line. The blue is not picking up, and I don't know what's going on with that, but this is actually not a bad look. I actually like it. Like, you guys can see that. I love it. Okay, now let's just go ahead and go back into the box. We got a few more stuff in here. So another thing that I'm seeing is in this pot right here, and it looks like this comes with it as well. This is a Suave Beauty, I think. It's a eyeliner and a brush. So this is what it looks like, and this is what the inside looks like here. Okay, so this is what the brush looks like, and it has a very, very thin tip there. It's not picking up. So you guys can see, I'm not seeing anything. And apparently this one is a $26 for a set. Like, what the hell? Come on. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with this. I don't have time for this. Okay, real quick, you guys. I was playing with this pot eyeliner. So basically you have to wet the brush, then you dip it into the eyeliner, because clearly that's what it says on the instruction at the back, and I didn't read it. So I've been testing it out, and it's right over here, and it seems to be working. And I know I'm such a dummy. Oh, that is so stupid. I was digging into the cake. I was digging in here and saying, are you freaking serious? Is it even gonna work? So yeah, let's just continue on our regular show. Disappointing. Other things in my box is this one right here. This is another eyeliner. This is a, I don't know how to say this. This is John Tidou eyeliner right here. This is a pencil liner. So this is what it looks like. And this is a long-lasting formula liquid eyeliner 24-hour wear, and it has a felt tip on there. So let's just do a really quick swatch. Oh my god, that is a black. Let's go ahead and try to put that on there. I'm not very good on eyeliner, so this is going to be a struggle. So let's just try. Okay. This whole time I was so blurry. Focus, camera, focus. Okay, so this is the wing liner that I created. It's not bad. It is really easy to apply. And it's not a drying formula as well. So I'm just going to try to go ahead and do it on the other side. Okay, so I like that eyeliner. I was able to apply it super fast, and it dries out really fast. So I'm not waiting for it to dry before I open my eye, so then I won't get any line above my eyelid. This might be a good liner. I am excited to try this. I'm going to see how long it lasts on my oily lid. Okay, so I don't have any information about that liner. I don't know how much it is or anything like that, because it is not in my card. Oh, I think that is my add-on. That might be my add-on. Okay, now we're down into this last two products here. This is a lipstick. Both of these are lipstick. This one is the original one that comes in my box, and this is a Tristique matte color shiny bomb lip crayon, and this is on the shade Belize Bordeaux. I don't know how to say that. So this is the shade right here. I don't know how to say this weird ash shade, but this is what the product looks like. And this is a lipstick. Ooh, it's a magnet. Okay, and this one is like a lip balm type of deal from the bottom. Let's just go ahead and try to apply this on our lips real quick. Okay, that is really, really bright. So I guess you can leave it as like this, or you can use the other bottom part. Ooh, this one twists too. Okay, let's go ahead and just add a little bit more of this little tiny bit right here to make it a little bit shiny. I love this lipstick. Okay, I am very happy with this. So did I say how much this is? So this is a $25 lipstick. Now let's go ahead, and this one right here I purchased for $3. It was buy one get one, so I purchased this and I get this one for free. That's why it is not in my little booklet. So this one right here is a Jolie Luxe Cream Matte lipstick. So this is what it looks like. And this is like just like a deluxe size. So there is that lipstick right here. It's in a frosted container. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and apply this lipstick, and just to show you guys. I don't like it. It's too dark. I think this is like a fall color for me. This lipstick doesn't really go with the look. I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. But this is what it looks like. So this is what my finished looks like using my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Let's just go ahead and add up everything that we receive in the box. So the total value of my box is $284, and this is a $25 subscription, and all of these are full size. I don't know if I told you guys, but Ipsy is a monthly subscription that is $25 a month. It's just like BoxyCharm. You will receive 5 full-size products, and you know, like brands that you haven't heard or you have heard before. You can also do an add-on. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any videos that I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!